Don't know the thing, a news anchor there, a newlink production. Bless up my people. So now, biker boy, what you feel like now? Boy, you see people, me tell you sometime, you know. Some things happen sometime and yo, God just make a thing work out that we sometimes wish. You know what I mean? Some man feel like them are gonna do something sometime and get away. Well, I go on a quick news, I not go too long on it. It is said that in a Everdale up in a St. Andrew there, right? A old lady was standing, you know what I mean, or walking. When I look a bike boy, one of them look a dirty thief in bike boy there. People. Because you know say a lot of look a dirty thief in bike boy are grown. And look a dirty thief in thinking bike boy riding bike. Zane? And so they look at old lady and decide to say I'm going to rob the old lady. Well people, same time, a car come and the car man spot what go on, and my viewers him spot what go on and decide to say you what go on. I can't make the boy rob the look old man and look on the look old man. Where this young boy decides that he might go rob. So people, the car man comes up boom now, Zane, and they make him drive up the car and come up with the car. Same time he just comes up boom. Boom! And bunks the boy. When him bunks the boy, people, the boy comes up boom and I pull for him. So my car boy, people, huh? The feel say if him never having look a license thing or him look a thing in there, he might go just bunks a man like that. Well, people, my car boy was a fast man. Them license thing, I like him well trained. So peel it and beat the boy chest. And people, so them beat one of the boy chest. That's it. Kill him. Dead. You know what I mean? That thief is dead. Call policeman to see them rush him and try him hospital and him pronounced dead. You see? So here we go now. You see, all I know what thief and a grown and decide so not gonna rob the old lady them and get away. Who no nah get away because when no feel so not gonna do them things and get away. There's somebody out there gonna catch you. It may not be the police, but it may be an abiding situation. Remember.